This is a SIS-developed solution, allowing our customers quick automated recovery for their Veeam Cloud Connect backups stored at SIS into a VMware vCloud Director environment. The beginning of the automation consists of selecting the Cloud Connect customer, their Cloud Connect backup job, entering the backup job decryption password, as well as specifying where the customer VMs will be restored. First step of the process is to import the backup job into a Veeam backup and replication server and then decrypt it. Afterwards, all or some of the VMs from the backup job are restored per the customer's request. After the VMs are restored, we assign the VMs to their corresponding NSX-backed distributed port group. This allows a customer to maintain the same IPs, subnet masks, Layer 3 gateways, and firewall rules that the customer had configured in their on-prem environment. The final step is to import the restored VMs from vCenter into the customer's vCloud Director environment. As you can see, the restored VMs have been powered on successfully and the customer has console access to them. These VMs, while being in separate subnets, can now be seen successfully communicating with one another.